this video. Today, we are excited to show you how to build a console-based chess game in Java. This is the prototype, a low-level chess game designed by our team. Myself, Subhash, and my teammates are Pendra and Karthik of CSCA. We will explore the core code structure, how the game mechanisms work, and how you can play this game. This is the perfect for beginners and intermediate programmers looking to learn object-oriented programming concepts. Now I will be explaining you the README file of our project. This is the simple yet functional console-based chess game implemented in Java. This game replicates all the functions and key features of the chess game, which includes the movement rules, the killing of the pieces, etc. In this, we have implemented a features of players, chessboard, pieces, and move validation capture logics. The pieces include the king, queen, rook, bishop, knight, pawn, and the chessboard is an 8 into 8 grid standard chess setup. Initial positions of all pieces are also considered, and how to play the game. First, we need to set up the game by using the clone or download this project file of our chess, chess folder. Run the chess game class from your Java IDE or terminal to initialize the board and start the game. Now, our major objective is to capture the opponent kings by putting it in a checkmate position. We also implemented a state where the if the king is checkmated, the game will be ending. Game rules implemented piece specific movements like knights move in L shapes, path checking to prevent illegal moves like rooks can't jump over other pieces while the knights can. And we will be implementing advanced rule like casting, peasant, palm pronation, etc. Code structure: chess game class, chess board class, player class, piece abstraction class. These are the classes in the code structure. This will be explained by my friend. And this is the example of basic gameplay where we will be giving the moves of the coordinates such as rows and columns as input. Now I will be explaining you about the setup of the chessboard. To start, we need a Java IDE like Eclipse. Clone or download the project files from the repository. Run the chess game class to start the game. The chessboard and pieces will be displayed in the console. Now I will be showing the basic structure of our code. This is the this is the chessgame.java class where it shows you the basic concepts which are taken in this code. Here, as you can see, through scanner class we have taken and we have taken a player class where we have taken objects white player and black player, and the game is on, it reverts to true, and if the king is in a checkmate position, the game on is set as false. The current player will be changing according to the game. First start with the white player, then it moves to the black player. See, as I have told, the input is taken as in the position of the coordinates, like start row column and end row column. These are the four inputs that should be given, where start row, start column are one coordinates, and end row, end column are the second coordinates. Now, if the coordinates are given, it will check whether the coordinates are within the bound or not. If within the it is if the moves are within the bound, then then the piece actually moves to the set position end row and end column position, and it will the current player will be passed to the next one. If it is not, it will be showing move is out of bounds, try again. And if the move is successful, it will be showing you the print statement move successful. And if the current player is equals to white, it goes to black. Else it is before it goes to white. Current player changes. And if the move is not valid, it shows invalid move. And if the format of the concept of the coordinates is not set, it will be showing invalid input format. Please enter your move in the correct format. This is the basic concept of our code. The next part will be explained by my friend. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Upendra and this chess we have developed chess game project. This is a simple console based program that focuses on the core mechanics of chess. It allows two players to play against each other, taking turns to make moves. Here's a console overview. First objective of the game is to capture the opponent's king through valid chess move. This is the chess game class and this is the main class. I have used main method in this, and key features implements chess rules for all pieces, king, queen, rook, bishop, knight, and pawn, and validates moves and ensures no illegal moves are allowed. Includes basic capture mechanics where one piece can eliminate another. This board is displayed and updated after every move. How it works: players input moves in the format start row, start column, end row, end column. Start row, start column, and end row, end column. Code structure manages the board. This is game class. I have used except try and catch block to handle exception. This is board class and this code structure. Board class manages the board, initializes pieces, and validates moves. Here it and I have used getters also. And player represents two players and black and white and piece classes. And next one piece classes, I have used getter for getting color of the piece, and we have already we know that there are only two colors, black and white in the chess game, 18 to 8 chess game, and we have used abstraction in this class, and we checked the move is valid or not using abstraction, and each piece class has unique logic for its movements. Example: pawn moves to forward, knights jump. Player represents two players, white and black. And this is my piece class, and this is my king class, queen class. This and let me show the output of the how my code works. First, it asks to enter the start row, start column, end row, end column wise input separated by space. And first, we take here it displays allies because we declared the name of the player here, allies, and color. We have initialized color to the white, so it asks first past one. And let us pass the value sixth row, fourth column, to and end row, end column. And we are hence here means we are moving from sixth row, fourth column to fourth row, fourth column. And my move is successful here. And if it displays move invalid, if the move is if the it will it now Bob's turn. We move from 1 3 to 2 3. Here the move is successful. And let us try to move the another piece to the same here 2 comma 3 please. Here it shows invalid move piece selection because we have already placed 1 3 coin in the 2 3 place. So if we want to place another, it will another move piece, it shows invalid piece selection. So it handles like this exception, and this is you helpful for the beginners learning Java and object oriented programming. Improvements like we can do improvements like checkmate detection, castling, and even a graphical interface to replace the console. That's it for the chess game project. It's a fun way to learn Java and game mechanics. Future. Thank you. My friend will continue the next part.
Hello everyone, I am Karthik. Today I am here to continue the explanation of the low-level design of chess game, which is designed using Java. So, as my friend Upendra mentioned the working of this low-level design, let me mention some special rules and limitations of this low-level design. Some of the special rules are like in the chess game we have checkmate, stalemate, castling, and pawn promotion, several options. But this low-level design only mentions the valid moves and invalid moves of the specific pieces like rook, hawk, knight, queen, king, etc. And we can add these features in the further future. And for example, we can write the code like a check condition whether if the king is checkmated or not in this file chessgame.java. As my friend mentioned, explained this code. Let me re-explain you once. This is the chessgame.java class, and in this the main method contains the board class and the scanner to read the inputs, and there are two players, white player and black player, and their names are Alice and Bob. Alice color chess pawn's color is white, and Bob chess pieces are black. Then we will initialize the board, which contains the rows and columns index from 0 to n. For example, we have took here 8 cross 8 board, so n will be 8. That means 0 to 7. So while the we have took a game on boolean value as true, while game is on, means when we run the code, firstly the white turn will occur, and the white will enter the start row, start column, and end row, end column, as mentioned in this quotations. If the format is in the correct format matched with the chessboard, then it will make a valid move. Otherwise, it will show invalid move or invalid piece selection or move is out of bounds. Try again. If the move is successful, move successful. Currently, we have implemented the checkmate, but it is under progress. Furtherly, we can implement this feature as I mentioned before by using a check condition method. So the future enhancements can be, as I mentioned before, add check and checkmate detection, and actually implement advanced moves for castling. Means the move of king to the rook directly, two-step castling. Nextly, we can do pawn promotion also. If the pawn from one side to other side it reaches, then it will promote to a powerful piece like rook, no, knight, etc. Nextly, we can create a graphical interface so that the players can understand the working easily when we enter a valid moves. Nextly, we can add timer, which is a best feature for building the competitiveness and the make game more competitive. Finally, let me conclude this low-level design. To sum up, this is the low-level design we have created using Java, that is a chessboard game. in which we have to 8 cross 8 board, and it contains black pawns and white pawns, means black pieces and white pieces. When we enter the specific format, means which contains a start column and start row, start column, end row, end column, then the piece will move. And if it is a valid move, then it will forward it to the next player. Otherwise, it will be an invalid move, and the player should enter it in the card format. Then the pieces will move. Thank you.